Hello everyone. W- Welcome to day 13 of our 30-day SQL series. In today's session, we are learning about the alter table command in SQL. The alter table statement is used when we want to modify an existing table structure without losing its data. So let us look the topic covered in this video here is we are going to add a new column using alter table, modifying a column that is data type, size and the constraints, dropping a column, renaming a table here. Okay, let's get started here. So this is our MySQL workbench. So we have already created a database called college. We have already created a customer table here. So in the customer table, you can see we have a three columns that is to customer ID, name, and the email here. Okay. So now we are going to write a query here. Alter table customer customers and column password varchar varchar 255 varchar 255. Okay, not null. Let me close it. So see, let us understand this query here. So here I have given a query alter table customers at the column password, and this is the constraint, the rules I'm giving. It should be the varchar, okay, 255, and it should not be the null here. Okay, let us run here. See, now let us look at the table. So you can see at the end of this table, one column has been added. Password column has been added now. Now I want to add a column in just see here we have a name. Now I want to add a column next to the name, the surname I have to give it. Okay, so for that we can give it a alter table customers. Okay, then add column space, add column surname, surname. Okay, this should be the varchar 255, not null, after name. Okay, after name. Now here we go. See, here I have written a query, alter the table customers. Now add the column surname. The column has to be added as a surname, but after the name, here in the between the name and the email ID, the surname has to be added here. Let's see. Now let us run here. So here we go. See here. That is your customer ID, name, the surname. The surname has been added between the name and the email ID. Okay, that was the second condition. If we want to add it, we can add the column in between the columns as well. So now let us look at the third conditions where I want to add two columns here. Okay, so let's start. So let us write the query alter table customer customers and column column order number, what the customer is ordering order number, that is your varchar. Okay, varchar 255, we can give it here, but where I have to add it, I have to add it after customer ID. Okay, after customer ID. Okay, enter. Okay, then now I have to add one more column here, and column customer order date. Okay, order date date time, date time, not null, not null, default, default, current, timestamp. Okay, timestamp here. It should be the comma here. Okay. Hmm. Now here, let us look at the query. So alter table customer add column order number varchar 255. After the column ID, I have to add a order date column here. Add column order number column. Sorry. Now add column order date, date time not null, default current time stamp. Okay. So let us run here. Okay, let us open our yes. So here you can see after a customer ID, the order number is added, name, surname, email ID, and at the end, so here the order date has been added. So with the current timing, you can see a 25 9 4 15. Okay, with the current timestamp, it's been added here. Okay, now we have seen how to add the columns here, okay, at the end of the table, and how to add the columns in between of the columns, okay. So all these things we have seen it. So now let's move on to how to drop a column. So like we have to write down the query, alter, alter table, customer, customers, customers, okay. So now I'll give it a drop password. Okay, so I want to drop the column as password. So let us run here. So see, let us open our table and see whether it's been yes. So now you can see the column password has been deleted now. So this is how we write a one single command to delete one column. Okay, so now I want to delete a multiple column. So what I have to do here is same command, alter table. So now I want to delete the order number and the surname here. Okay, so table customer, customers, drop, customers. Okay, drop, we can give it as, so I'm dropping the order number, comma, then I'm giving a drop, then surname, surname, then let's do it here. Okay, let us run it here. Now let us look at our table. So here you can see we have dropped the order number and the surname from our table. Okay, so only three table we had it, so that is customer ID, name, and the email ID here. Okay, so this is how the drop command works in SQL. Now let us look at the modify here. So it's modify is nothing but you just have to modify the data types. Okay, like for example, we have to give it a alter table customer. Okay, customer, then modify. So I have a three columns. That is in name. I have it here, right? So name. If we had given a varchar, correct? So VARCHER varchar 255. Now we can give it as not null. So just the data types. We are just modifying the data types. So we can give it a not null as well. Or else we can make this as the primary key. Okay. Primary key. So just I'm giving you an example here. So if you want to modify the data types, this is how you have to modify it. So let us run. Yeah. Okay. So here I'm getting an error, multiple primary key defined. So let's not give this primary key. Let us give it not null only. Okay, now run. Not null. Okay, let's run. Okay, So this is how the modify works. Right? So you can give it a data types. Okay, you can modify the data types here. So now let us understand how to rename the table. Okay, so using the alter command here. Here, alter table. So if you want to change the name of the table, we can change it. Okay, so alter table customers rename to, or we can give it as orders. Okay, anything here. So let me give it here. Now run. So here, let me refresh it. So now, so the customers table has been renamed to the order table here. Okay. Now let us rename the columns. Okay. So alter table. So the table name is our orders. What are the ERS orders? Now I'm giving it a change. CHANGE, change name, change name to order, order, order name. Okay. Now varchar 255. Okay, let me run it here. Okay. So there is some error here. Change name. So I we don't have to give this to. Alter table orders, change name, order name. Okay. So here let us run and check the query. Okay, so let me open my order tables here. Yes, so now you can see the name has been changed to the order name here. Okay, and we have also changed the table name here. Okay, so and that's it for today's session on the alter table command in SQL. We have learned how to add, modify, drop, rename columns, and even rename a table using simple queries. So these commands are super useful when you need to make changes to your database structure without losing the data inside. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our 30-day SQL series. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning. So, bye bye. Take care.